Hi everyone, I'm Helen Hebert. I'd like to invite you to the Red Cliff Paper Retreat. It takes place in my studio in the heart of Colorado's Rocky Mountains this August.
Enjoy peaceful, creative days in the tiny hamlet of Red Cliff, surrounded by mountains, cool air, and the river. Experiment with several techniques as you create a variety of paper objects that will intrigue your eyes and illuminate your spirit. All levels of art experience are invited. Over the years, this is number 8. This retreat has attracted people from all walks of life, from hobby paper crafters to professional artists. Some are still working and others have retired. Those who have experience with paper and others who do not. Young, old, male, female, librarians, teachers, kite flyers, translators, nonprofit leaders, designers, therapists, and engineers. Everyone is welcome. Our group will spend the mornings working together on step-by-step projects, such as woven wall pieces, books, sculptural armatures, illuminated objects, and paper screens. The afternoon will be more freeform. I will demonstrate hand paper making techniques, and you can choose whether to spend the rest of the day making paper or exploring the morning's techniques. Dry demonstrations will include multiple ideas for constructing wall pieces, books, lights, and vessels. We'll experiment with a variety of attachments and connections to join paper panels too. Wet demonstrations will include watermarking, wrapping wet paper onto armatures, embedding objects in wet paper, and letting the drying process control the paper's shape. Explore these ideas as you create unique paper objects with a dozen like-minded creatives.